news coming in. Relief coming in for Nikita Jacob. Nikita Jacob gets protection from arrest for 3 weeks. This is a big breaking news coming in from the Bombay High Court right there. The Bombay High Court has found it appropriate to give protection from arrest for 3 weeks to activist Nikita Jacob. She has been accused in the Greta Thunberg toolkit case. Questions arising on the arrest of Disha Ravi as well, whether that particular arrest was warranted or not. And she could have perhaps been let go after questioning. But Nikita Jacob now, she's gotten protection from the arrest for 3 whole weeks. Saurabh Akhtarnia is joining us. Saurabh, obviously the Bombay High Court saw merit in giving protection to Nikita Jacob from arrest for 3 whole weeks. Over to you for the latest that is coming in. Please tell us what the Bombay High Court order says.
So, Chaiti, the most important part in this judgment was the apprehension point. Now, the apprehension point is basically the first day when the Delhi police reached Nikita Jacob's house in Mumbai, they conducted a long search operation. Her mobile phone and laptop were seized. Now, there was an apprehension, there was a fear in Nikita Jacob's mind that she could be arrested. She, through her lawyer, clearly stated that she was cooperating with the Delhi police officials, but there was a fear that she could be arrested, and therefore they reached the Bombay High Court for the interim relief. Now, what the Delhi police is clearly saying that the evidence against Nikita Jacobs are very strong. They have a lot of proof, and this is related to the 26th January Republic Day riots which took place in Delhi. And this is a very serious charges, and therefore her questioning is very important. And this court should not entertain her plea. But clearly, the Bombay High Court stated out that there is an apprehension, there was a fear. So giving an interim relief should not be a problem. The clause of Nikita Jacob clearly
even the law says, Saurabh, that if your accused is cooperating in the probe, then an arrest is not warranted, and that is something that the Bombay High Court order is in line with. Yes, the lawyers argued that there is an apprehension of arrest because the Delhi police even showed up to go ahead and arrest, and went on to say that she is absconding, but she has given it in writing that she is willing to cooperate with the Delhi police, and this is a huge relief coming in for the accused activist.
Yes.
Go ahead, Saurabh.
So yes, Chaiti, so what the Bombay High Court has clearly said that, so there was an apprehension, so she is not going out anywhere. She is clearly saying that she is willing to cooperate, but as a citizen of India, she has also the right to approach the competent court. Now, this particular competent court is the Delhi High Court. So clearly giving a big relief after Shantanu Muluk now to Nikita Jacob. The court has given a relief of 3 weeks time. This is the 3-week transit bail to Nikita Jacob. Now clearly she will be moving to the Delhi High Court, and there they will be filing the fresh bail application where she might get relief, but clearly a huge relief in this whole toolkit case, both first to Shantanu Muluk and second now to Nikita Jacob. Clearly on the basis of apprehension, the Delhi police could not give proper things to the court in written that why actually the bail should be rejected, because she was earlier cooperating with the cops, and the very next day, even after cooperating, an NBW warrant was issued against Nikita Jacob, because of which they have moved the Bombay High Court for the transit bail. So 3-week times is given, and 25,000 bail bond which she has to submit to the court, and this is clearly a huge relief. First yesterday to the Shantanu Muluk, and today to Nikita Jacobs in this whole toolkit case, Chaiti.
All right, leave it at that. Thank you, Saurabh, for getting us those latest details. Stay with us right there. There are questions now arising on the other accused as well, but this particular hearing in the Bombay High Court had to particularly do with activist Nikita Jacob, who the Delhi police accuses of being a conspiracist in the entire Greta Thunberg toolkit case. But there is 3-week interim protection coming in from the High Court for Nikita at the moment. Saurabh, if I could ask you, the merits of this particular case perhaps are going to be falling in the Delhi High Court jurisdiction, and that particular hearing will happen in the Delhi High Court and not the Bombay High Court. The Bombay High Court perhaps was only looking at this very limited point of giving her protection from the arrest.
So Chaiti, this particular case is registered in Delhi. The FIR is in Delhi police. The Delhi Special Cell is investigating the case. The whole rights took place in Delhi. So going to the jurisdiction wise, the Delhi High Court actually is the one who will look after this case. But what here happened is the argument were given by both Nikita Jacob and Shantanu Muluk was they at least needed time to go to Delhi High Court. Now, in the case of Nikita Jacob, Chaiti, the points were more clearer that the Delhi police first reached her residence. Whole day questioning took place. Her mobile phone and laptop were seized. The local police was not informed. She was cooperating with the police officials, but there was an apprehension that she might get arrested. Now, this is the most important point which the court has mentioned, that if she was cooperating, why was the NBW warrant issued against her? So, it's true, she needs a proper time to give justice to herself also, to express her side as well, and therefore, given this liberty, she should be given 3 weeks time to approach the Delhi High Court. On the other side, Delhi police clearly mentioned that the Bombay police does not have a jurisdiction, so no bail should be given to her. But the Bombay High Court clearly mentioned that 3 weeks time will be given to her so that the competent court, that is Delhi High Court, hears this matter and give out the judgment. Now, one important point, the applicant had made herself available, but the Delhi police contends that the next day when they made an attempt, she was not available. The Desai that argued that the cooperation was there. Apprehension shows that she approached court and the apprehension fortified by the NBW issued. So this is clearly mentioning that if she was cooperating, why was the NBW warrant issued against her? So this is the most important part in the judgment, wherein the Nikita Jacob in this whole case have got 3 weeks transit bail. So now she will, along with Shantanu and Nikita Jacobs, both will be approaching the Delhi High Court for further relief.
All right.